So what year is this? A 1994?
Huh?
A 1994?
Yeah.
So it's a Ford F-150. Ford F-150 1994. That's what it is. And Josh is gonna fix it up, and it's going to be his work truck, right?
Yep.
No more Subaru? No more Subaru. Yep. So he's gonna fix it up. What do you have to do to it? What is the first things you're going to fix?
The transmission leak.
Transmission leak? Why is there a can in here? I've never seen a can inside
like
it.
for the probably emissions.
Oh, but it does look like a can though, right?
Yeah.
So you don't know much about F-150s? Ford F-150?
Not to
You're a Subaru guy? Subaru guy. Not know much about Fords. Alright. Well, anyways, guys, that's the little update on what's going on with our next little project. We will keep you posted. Very excited about this. He has been wanting one of these. So we're going to be doing this, and I will be helping him out, giving you guys updates on stuff that we do to it and what we change and all that good stuff. So that'll be our little project. It's so long. It's so long.
That's what she said.
That's what she said. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get right into this video. Some quick updates. So what's going on here, Josh is removing the side mirror because it just wasn't sitting right. So he decided to improvise and use his tools that he has in his shed to adjust it and make it fit a little bit better. And the cool thing about these side mirrors is that they can be removed easily. So you just get those bolts that are just right there on the top, 2 on top and then 2 on the bottom, and you can just remove that and replace that quick and easy. So that's really cool. As you can see here, Josh is removing it and he's going to adjust it to fit better. So what'd you do? You bent it?
Yeah, because the angle's different. This one's smaller than the original. So for this part, Josh is just replacing the rear top light, and it's actually really pretty easy to replace this light because you can just pull that, what is that called? The cord that's there that he just pulled, and then you put the new one in. So that's really quick and easy. So that's pretty awesome too. See here, Josh is really not liking how it's fitting, so again he's going to go back to his shop and then he's gonna file it a little bit from the sides where the 2 screws go in, and then he's gonna put it back in. It just wasn't sitting right. It was kind of sticking out, so he didn't like the look of it, and of course you don't want that to be open, right? So he's gonna go fix it up and then put it back in.
Okay, so quick update. Josh took all of this out already, and then he also put the light on top. And then what he's doing now is he's changing the dashboard here. So Josh took out all the back. All right, there was like a plastic thing here. He took it all out, and then he also installed the light. And now he's working on the dashboard, which that's the old one that was on it, and here it is that he's fixing it up, and then there's the new one right there. So far that's what he's been doing. That's the update, and we'll keep going from there. And then there's the plastic that was on it.
So the next thing that Josh is doing here, he is replacing the bushings. So he is going to lower the steering wheel and replace them. Also guys, it did start raining, so we did have to stop, but I will have some updates for you on Friday if you guys want to come back and check that out too. I do appreciate you guys coming back always and all the love and support you guys give to me. And again, thank you guys for everything you do. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Remember, be yourself and stay true to yourself. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share. Bye guys, see ya, peace.